What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1971 Monte Carlo. This car here has the original motor in it. It's a 402. Also had the AC setup, power steering. It's gonna be a pretty good test drive, guys. Nice tires on this car as well. We're gonna be doing a two-part video. First part is a test drive, second part is a walk around. Be looking for that. You can type it in, find any of our cars here on YouTube by typing in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. You can also go by hashtag the stock number. All of that is located at maplemotors.com, along with finance and shipping information, 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Hit that subscribe button for daily content, guys. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. We take off, gonna look around the interior, check out some stuff. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? The dash is in great shape. Looking around at this green interior here. Back seat's in good shape as well. Package tray looks good. Headliner's nice and clean. We do have some holes up here though. I'm not sure what they were doing. Put your little holes there. Maybe somebody got mad, stabbed their pencil. Starts up nice and easy, pretty quiet exhaust, absolutely no gas. So we're definitely stopping to see if we can get some gas before we run out. Let's try the wipers. Wipers do work on this one, very slow. We do have the face to the radio in the office. We got a set of gauges down here. Haven't really gave it a good enough chance to heat up. We'll see if that temp gauge works, but our oil pressure gauge is moving around. This thing had the AC under there. And it's not affecting the motor at all, so the compressor is not kicking on. That's something that'll have to be worked on as well. Ready for that horn? There's no spring. We don't have a horn either. Let's see how she drives. I can show you the miles on it, and they're probably correct. Showing 69,297. That could very well be 169. It could be 269. Let's take off down the road. There's a bunch of different seat belts in here, but there is one for this lap belt. So we're going to take off here. Anything that I see that is wrong with this vehicle, I will let you know. That's why I make these videos. We do them all the time for people that are out of state. Gives you a good idea of what you're buying before you get here. Also, watch the second part, which is the walk around, point out any flaws. We'll be doing that halfway through this test drive, right after we go to the gas station. Y'all want to bet on the kickdown? You think the kickdown works on this one? I'm gonna say it does. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna say it does. Speedometer's coming up. We are going straight down the road. We're not pulling to the left or right, and the steering's nice and tight. Try this kickdown. The brakes are pulling to the right. Oh, the kickdown doesn't work. It's not hooked up. Bring her down to like 30 and see what happens. No, it's not hooked up. I tried it numerous times. Tell you what, the ride's nice and smooth though. Our engine temp is coming up. It's right at 160 now. The brakes are pulling to the right pretty hard. 100% stopping at this gas station. Showing we're out of gas, so definitely gonna put that in here. Not trying to run out today. Turn signals are popping up on the dash, but the left side, the light's out on the dash here. You can hear it clicking, but the light is out. The right side's working perfect. gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car and we'll continue this test drive. Up here at the gas station, and I learned the gas gauge don't work. This thing's full of gas. Look at it all over the ground. Had that trigger wide open, started spitting everywhere. I got about $4. Well, I can't prove it. I put $4 in it though. Oh well, let's hit the road. All right, we're good to go, guys. Engine temperature's right at 180, oil pressure's right at 40. We'll take off here. I just did a full walk around video, let this car run for a while, drove around the parking lot and took some videos of it. It's very easy to drive. Steering's like butter. Like butter. Oh, we get to turn on our headlights and they ain't working. Good thing I put my tag back on. My tag was in the trunk there for a second. We just pulled out in front of a cop. He probably let us go. He said, man, you're in a classic. I mean, technically, I'm just test driving it for y'all. Gotta make sure everything's all right. But I doubt they've pulled somebody over with a GoPro strapped to their face. It's pretty funny. One day it'll happen, guys, and you'll get it on video. The brakes are still kind of pulling to the right. This is the road with a speed bump. Speed bump's coming up past this yellow van here, right here. It's really smooth on suspension wise. Like I said, them brakes do grab a little bit and kind of pull you to the right every time I touch them. So. Oh yeah, we've made it back around to the lot. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. This has been a smooth ride. All right, guys, let's get it. All right, guys, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. You can check us out, maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed photos, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. It's that time of year, it's starting to get a little dark. They're gonna see some videos at the end of the day like this. Be dark at 4 o'clock. Definitely check out the walk around video if you're interested in this car. You can see it in the last 30 seconds of this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Later, guys.